How to make money testing websites. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can instantly start making money online from the comfort of your home and on any device you prefer, whether it be your computer, laptop, tablet, and even your smart device. And what I love about this is it's available worldwide. So anywhere in the world you are, you'll be able to make money with these websites that I'm about to show you. If this sounds good, be sure to stick around until the end, as I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money. And you don't need any skills to do this. The first website that I'll be showing you is UserBrain. As you can see here, with UserBrain, you'll be getting paid to use testing tools. And as you can see right here, you'll simply tap on Get Paid to Test, and it will open up this page right here, and you'll simply enter your email address and create a password. And as you can see, the sign up process is quite simple, and speak your thoughts while going through a set of tasks for about 5 to 20 minutes. Receive new tests and get paid $5 per test via PayPal. So if you would like to earn PayPal money online, this is one of the best ways to do it, by becoming a tester. And all you'll have to do is visit various websites that they will recommend, and you'll be paid to simply go on the website and critique it, or to test a catchy or a sign-up process on the website, and that's it. As you can see here, what happens after you apply, you'll be able to record a qualification test. And don't worry, we'll give you a tour and guide first so you can know exactly how everything works. And again, the qualification test is basically to ensure that you speak English, and also that you have a microphone and that your device is up to date, meaning that you have reliable internet and a computer or laptop that is up to date. And that's it, and you'll be approved and start getting tests, and you can start earning money. The second one that I would like to show you that you can start make money by doing tests is UserTesting. And as the name implies, you'll be getting paid to test. And the beauty about this, as you can see right here, it works with numerous global brands. If I should scroll down, to get started, you'll simply submit your email address and answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. And next, you'll be doing a simple test. And again, the test is all you'll be doing is testing if your microphone is working, and also if you have reliable internet. And last but definitely not least is UserFeel. And with UserFeel, you can see that they are signed up with numerous big brands, as trusted by over 500 organizations. And right here, 150,000 qualified testers from all over the world. So it's clear to see that with this website, you'll be able to make money from wherever you are in the world. And again, it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll do is visit userfeel.com, then tap on Get Paid to Test, and it will open up this page here, on which you'll be able to enter your name, email address, and some basic information, and you'll set up your payment email. Again, you'll be able to get paid via PayPal, so this is a good way to earn money by PayPal. And you can see devices available for testing. So whether you have a desktop or laptop, an Android phone, iPhone, Android tablet, iPad, Apple Watch, other smartwatch, or IPEVO camera, you'll still be able to make money. And if I should go on there, frequently asked questions, become a tester, and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts between 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. And you'll read the following instructions and follow and watch the example video. What do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks. So as I said earlier, you'll simply go onto their websites and then you'll be able to critique it. For example, if you like the layout of the websites or the text size of the website, and also how easy it is to maneuver around the website. That's all you'll be doing, and you'll be getting paid to do that. You can see, just read what the website says. They don't want you to do that. It's some simple stuff to do. We need testers to perform the required tasks according to test scenario. Speak loudly and clearly into the microphone. Perform the test in a quiet place and continuously explain what they are doing and why. That's all you'll be doing and be getting paid. And now down here, how do you get paid? For each test you conduct after the initial qualification test, you get paid $10. You'll receive payment after approval about 1 week after the test. So you'll be getting paid weekly via PayPal.